The spring has come. I miss the first seasons in Japan a lot, especially cherry blossoms. Pink color make us recognize the long winter is finally over and feel warm inside. Here in Los Angeles, it's always warm through a year and I don't feel the four seasons at all. Since I grew up in the beautiful seasons in Japan, I try to make the opportunities to enjoy the sense of four seasons occasionally even in America. Today, I'll make mixed rice with dried shrimp and edamame. I found dried shrimp at a Korean grocery store. The pink color of shrimp and the green color of edamame beautifully show up on the white color of rice and help you enjoy the spirit of spring. Enjoy the Japanese mixed rice enriched by the savor of ginger and dried kelp. Check the recipe and ingredients in the end of the video for your later use. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss any Japanese home cooking in America. Ingredients: dried shrimp, edamame, uncooked short grain rice, water, dried kelp, ginger, sake, and salt. Alright, let's get started. At first, take 2 cups of rice with a rice measuring cup in a rice cooker. Wash the rice until the water is almost transparent. Drain water from rice with a strainer. If you can get Japanese rice, that's the best, but today I use California rice, which is very similar to Japanese rice. Find your favorite rice. This is dried shrimp. In Japanese food, the dried shrimp is usually used for okonomiyaki or tempura, which is kakiyage. I like the unique and sweet taste of dried shrimp. This is edamame. I found frozen edamame without shells. Of course, you can use fresh edamame with shells, but in that case, you can remove the shells. Put the rice in a rice cooker. Add water to the line of 2 for white rice. Or you can just put 400 cc or 13.5 fluid ounce of water. Add dried kelp and let them sit for 30 minutes. If you cannot get dried kelp, the alternative will be the Japanese dashi stock. Chopped ginger. This is 30 minutes later. You can see the dried kelp absorbed water. Add sake, salt, edamame, dried shrimp, and chopped ginger. Mix them. When it comes to Japanese seasonings for Japanese food, we use soy sauce a lot. We love soy sauce. I really appreciate that I can get soy sauce here in America. But today I don't use the soy sauce for this dish. It's because the color is very important for this dish. The black color of soy sauce could ruin the color coordination of this mixed rice. If you want more saltiness, you can use more salt instead of soy sauce this time. The color is just beautiful. We'll see how it goes. Switch on the rice cooker as you usually make rice. About 1 hour later, it smells good. Mix rice with ingredients in the rice cooker after it's done. This is optional. You can remove the dried kelp when you serve. You can eat dried kelp too. I think it's a good idea to make some rice balls with this mixed rice. Maybe you can put half rice balls in the fridge and half in the freezer. Then you can just warm it up whenever you want to eat or serve. Itadakimasu. This color combination beautifully shows that the spring has come. This mixed rice tastes subtle. It takes me to a home in Japan. The cooking process is just easy. I'm sure you like it. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. Finally, I put the recipe and ingredients again. This is the recipe in English. And this is the recipe in Japanese. Here is the ingredients. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またねー。